Sleeping in a bad dream. Always know you and I. Strong when I cry. I love you, I need you to set me free. Okay, I'm back. Let me know if it's better. Perfect. Yes. Yeah. Hallelujah. Sipping in a bad dream. Hello, I am great. Jenard, thank you. How you doing? I'll probably go short on US. When? Right now? When it's go up? When it goes up? Just wait for a confirmation, Tiberio. Maybe just retest this white line or something. Just wait, because right now it doesn't. You think? Let me see. 5 minutes. The gap. Where? This is the gap? Don't see it hold. I am more on a buy side than sell right now. But yeah, I mean, I told you if I was in front of the computer, here will be my entry. So right now it's touching my entry and I'll go to it, break this area and retest it. So I am, you buying 260. Okay, so right now basically buying. Yeah, I'll buy. I'll go on in a long. I'll go. I just want to break the white line a little bit. Just break the white line and I'll go. I'll go for a long. Let me prepare all my cash. You've been in a bad dream. Now I have a favorite song that I listened yesterday. I discovered it and I just keep listening to it because that's what I do. When I find a new song, I just. It's Bad Dreams by Teddy Swims. No song when I cry. I love you the way I need you to set me free. So yeah, Harpal, I'm waiting to break the white line if to go for a long. Let's see, 5 minutes. What is he saying? Yeah, 5 minutes to break this area. Your entry led than me. You already got in, right? You got in at the 60. Was a great entry. If it's going the way it's supposed to go, you got in here. Perfect. I'm not in yet. You see? White line, this white line. Probably right now it's the sign, so get in. Okay, let's go. Three. Buy. Buy. Don't you know? Let's go. Kind of matches this indicator, you see? Let's see. We going. Harpal, you already in profit, eh? My TP 49,492. But we're watching how it's gonna react around this white line here. And I do have, let me see other levels that I have. Let me go in 5 minutes. So yes, I have this level. So watch this blue level right here. This is on 5 minutes. So we're gonna watch that. And yeah. Does commodities and Forex have inverse relationship? To be honest, I don't know. Sometimes I think, but I don't know. I don't know. The US30 though, Patrick, S&P. Let's see. You watching it on a future side or on a Forex side? 96. I'm waiting for the 7,000. Yeah, so I have this blue area here that I marked before on S&P. You see, reacted. Uh, no, on an option. If you ask me, it reacted this area right here. So if it passed this white line, I'll go on a short. If you ask me. But again, the options is different because you have an expiration and all that thing. So you are in a long? I'm wondering why it falls so much today, S&P. What happened? Let's see, news. Where the news are. Here. Wall Street drop on fresh Fed pressure. Banks hit by rate cut proposal. The pressure of the Fed. When is the Fed? This week? Core inflation tomorrow. Inflation's rate tomorrow 8:30. Fed speech. My TP hit. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay. So you are one of those that just scalp a little bit. Yeah, someone exactly. Let's see Nvidia. When I show you the door, Nvidia is consolidating right now. This, well, I have the support marked here, but support marked on what? 1 hour. I forget. I mark those levels, but sometimes I forget what I'm marking. Or daily. I don't trade Nvidia. I have it in my portfolio as investing, of course. But what I marked, I don't know. This hour of time for you, baby. When I show you the door, I wanna fix you, baby. Oh, you remember, Patrick, when we analyzed before the NVIDIA and I tell you the M? Here. I think here it was, right? Was it? I don't remember. Look at it. It dropped from there. Hello, Mahesh. Hello, hello. Yeah, I think Nvidia is consolidating and it's gonna break probably on the upper side. Probably. I don't know. Let's see what is our trading doing. Yeah, I like M and W patterns. I do like them. They strong. If I see it, yeah. When this Friday or when it was the guy on what's the channel for the news? He was talking about something. Oh, I forgot. So the good news are coming soon, something like that. He was talking about planning. Harpal, you should move your stop loss to break even. You got in at the 60, 260. You can move it to break even. So you're free risk now. And I'm watching this blue line here. Let's make it red. Because I want to see how I'm going to react when it touch that. when I showed you the door. But I can't take this game no more. Hello, Marianne. Hello, hello. This game. When I showed you the door. Let me see something. I was doing like my initial, if I was to go in a trade for my strategy, this would be my initial entry right here. So I was looking when the 2 is here to watch that too. There might be take profit there. I'm good, no complaints. Everything is good. It's in a trade with my people here. Oh, oh, oh. How is gold doing? I put an alarm. Ah, you want to touch the EMA. Și dacă faci tu vinovat, rămâi tu vinovat, că ai plecat și gata și m-ai lăsat. What S&P is doing? Oh, here we are. Patrick, we're waiting to break this, right? Dar tu nu m-ai iubit de fel cum te iubeam eu. I have a bunch of lines here, so I'm sure you guys are confused. Let me delete this white line. What was... Ah, it was this here. Okay. At this point, I'm going to move the stop loss just below the EMA. So I'm just risking $50. But to be very honest, if it crosses below this red line, I'm out. And I'm watching this white line because this was my initial too. Right here. Oh, gold crossing. I don't know if I want to take a position of gold. For gold to read, you can see it retested here. EMA is kind of as a support. See how it's reacting. If it's a support. And also this. So it would be double strong because it's the EMA and is this area retested it for a long. You can, if you want to go, you can go right here for a long. Wait to cross this white line here and you can go for a 2. Let me see if it's anything in a way. No, gold is all-time high. Is it? Is it? Yeah. Gold is golding. That's my idea of the gold. If it breaks, so yeah, you wait to break the white line for a long, but I don't wanna trade gold because I need to learn it a little bit more. I'm not as expert in gold. Do you guys believe in psychological levels, like when the price touches, for example, 49, 400, 500, 600? Right now is at the 400. I need you to set me free. Bad dreams. I do put a bunch of lines when I'm in a trade so I can watch. Yeah, let's see. Me too, I do believe. Many times it does react. Mm-hmm. Something physical. Myself. Without you. Without you. Harpal, you can move your stop loss in a profit. Just move it. You will be somewhere 300, 49, 300. Pando, yeah, I'm look at it. I don't use it, but I kind of tested it in my mind. With this one right here, you can see it did work. It gave me the green arrow, and I wait for the price to break that candle after the green arrow, and it did work. Friday did not work. Friday was a mess. Let me show you. Friday was a mess, the indicator. And Friday I was a mess too. So here, this was Friday. You see? Mess. Fake, 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 fake. Yeah, Friday was a mess, the indicator. So I think the indicator matter, it's really good when it's actually the price is in a trend. Yeah. Oh, look how it reacted at 49,400. You probably could close the trade. If you want some profit, harpal up. I'm still gonna stay for just a little bit, see how it's gonna react here. And yeah. And here, oh. Do you guys know the Einstein of Wall Street? That's what he was saying. I was looking one of his video very recently, a few days ago. It's like you have to set your mind once you are in a profit. Um, yeah, you have to set your mind once you are in a profit. You can't in a profit, whatever, not just a little bit. Like for example, me right now. I have to work and set my mind to just take this profit because it's money on the table. Just take it and don't wait. Don't accept your mindset to get that loss. That loss shouldn't exist. Once you are in a trade that is in some profit that you are okay with it, don't take it. But oh, you're in a okay. That's fine. Okay, for me to be in a sale here, I need to break this and retest from below the EMA, Tiberio. But this, you see, I'm applying the strategy, the US30 strategy to the gold. I did not take so many trades in gold to know if it actually, this strategy actually works as good on gold. It's supposed to, because it's the basic break and retest. Literally, the only gold trades that I took is in life. Literally. So the EMA is not broken. Oh, it does. So it should work then. If you want to go in a short, you need to wait for the EMA to break and retest this area. Short and long. That's my two. Okay, so now that I did talk about the guy, let's move. I'm moving to take profit. I'm moving my stop loss into the profit. I think gold is for short. Same here, Pando. Tiberius. So Pando is from Romania also. Pando Tiberius is also from Romania. I don't like to predict the market like way before to know where it's going. As it stands now, it doesn't go nowhere for the past few minutes. But those are my two options right here. So right now I will be more of a buy for me. If this is green, we'll see. I'm not gonna take it, but I put it here so you see it, and I'm curious if it's actually going to. Yes, Patrick, I'm from Romania. Where are you from, Patrick? I think you told me you are from USA, right? Yeah, I think you did tell me. Yeah, you told me, yeah. I remember. I'm a meeting on my okay. My previous trade is still running. I am in a profit already. I move my stop loss in a profit also, so we call it a win. If you move your stop loss in a profit, it's a win trade. I don't know. How you guys call that? It doesn't touch your full TP, but you move your stop loss into the profit. Is a win trade or not? Win trade. Okay. Then it's a win trade 100%. Okay. Here we go. The gold. Great. Do you have a rule like how much you want to make daily or how many trades you take daily? What's the rule? Okay. Thank you, Patrick. You too. Have a great day. See you next time. Anytime you pass by, don't forget to say hello. One trade at 2, 3 days, but I do crypto only. Okay. I do have a rule on losing trades, no more than 2 losing trades in a day. I can't handle it. But on the winning trades, um, I don't have. But anyway, you see my trades take long, so I usually just have a rule: get out of in front of the computer in 2, 3 hours. So see, once, yeah, an amount. Oh yeah, overtrade. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I agree. You have to aim for an amount, but if you have like a rule, you don't want to risk more than, I don't know, $300 a trade to make six. Sometimes this having an amount in your head should fuck shouldn't work too good, because if I make, let's say right now I want to make $500, but I close this trade in profit $200, I already want to go back in to make the rest of the $400. So that's why I'm more about the number of trades, how many trades I take, and the time I spend on the computer. be okay with whatever. Do you come to visit Romania? I went in Romania September. I came back from. Now I don't know. Probably in the summer. I don't have a plan yet. Yeah, I've been missing out on big runs, but I also not. Yes, yes, 100% agree. Because you know why? Those big runs are gonna come back again. 100% are gonna you're gonna have them in a week, a month. They gonna be back. But your money, you need to work for it. They're not just gonna come back. Oh my god, revenge trades. Friday was a day for me for revenge trading. Ooh, it was really bad. I mean, really bad mentally, you know. Hello, Alpesh. How are you, Alpesh? Glory, glory, glory. I'm gonna stay here for another 15 minutes and yeah, I'll have to go. So let's see. Uh, I do have some other things outside of trading, mainly investments and I can call it real estate. Yeah, real estate. Um, but mainly I trade. And now content creator. Yeah, but like a job that I go every day, 9 to 5. I don't have that. I do trading. That's what I do. The other things are on a side, like things that you park money on it and just yeah. I want to see your YouTube grow. I hope it's gonna grow. I hope it's gonna grow. We'll see. I'm pretty new to this, guys, so. And to be very honest, I didn't even plan to be a influencer or whatever. I just went with the flow. Opportunity came in, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just do it. Let's get out of my comfort zone because as a person, I'm very introvert. Like, I'm very quiet. I don't like I don't like talking too much. I'm not very. I like to listen more. 4.5 years, Pando. So the opportunity came for me to do this. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just do it. The first opportunity that came was the coach for the Hola Prime, and I remember I was I was in a vacation, and I was analyzing myself. I'm like, man, I don't know nobody that trades. Like literally, I don't know personally or have anybody in my friends. I don't know nobody that trades. So I need to see how other people trade. Like I want to see that. And then few days later, I received the email, you know, whatever, I don't go into the informations. I received an email giving me the opportunity to be a coach. And I'm like, what? Is this universe talking to me? I'm like, I'm gonna do it. And supposedly they like me, and I'm like, good things come if you get out of your comfort zone. Oh, thank you, Scotty. Oh, 100% I believe in manifestation. 100%. I believe that we are energy, like mainly us as humans, we are energy. So whatever you put there, you somehow gonna get it back. Because I was talking, coach, a trading coach. I mean, like yeah, entrepreneur, professor, Pando. Um, spiritual. Mm, I don't, not fully spiritual, no. I just try to find the teacher, yeah. I'm just trying to find a logic into the, because energy is proven, you know. It's not just, but I believe in spirituality. Like, how can I put it? Like I understand why people needed it. I believe that it does help people 100%, and that's why even religious came. But we're gonna go into things like that, yeah. It's definitely to help people going through whatever they go through. But like the law of attraction, law of um, I don't know how you call it right now, but it's actually laws in physics. So if it works in physics with other things, why will not work with us that we are also energy humans? It will work. Just logic. 100. No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I know it actually helps. It does help you go through, because there are people and people in this world. We are all different. For me, if I have a problem, for example, what actually helps me is I'm looking at the problem and I need to find a solution and why that thing happened. And when I find that, I I feel better. If I can find a solution, I already feel better. So that's how I solve my problems or whatever I'm going through, or an explanation to it. Uh, one thing that I no, I struggle, but I can't, like, when those things happen to me, it's very hard for me to focus. When it's about health, if I am sick or somebody in my family is sick or somebody, I just I just like, well, I need to solve this. I need to solve this. How can I solve it? And I don't know how to solve it. So that's one thing that, hmm, you know, I'm getting a little bit over in my head. So I believe in good. Yeah. For medical related issue always comes to India. Why you say that, Alpesh? No, thank God I never had no real issues, but all the time I have, I'm just like, go and dig so deep. Like, even if I have like an allergy on my skin, like, I'm just so in my head, you know? Uh, Like, I need to solve this. Why is this happening? Why? What did I do? How can I solve it? What creams? What? And sometimes it doesn't help at all. It's very economical. It's economical, but it's good. Ya nada me parece. No, I hope that I will never need it, Alpesh. Let's go. Because I'm 5 more minutes. Okay, let's move this take profit right here. Oh, where is my friend? My friend Harpal. If you are still here, move your take profit. A stop loss, sorry. Move your stop loss below the EMA. Ya nada me parece interesante. Yo sé que en el amor soy un farsante. Let's go, come on. Yes, just a little below. Oh yeah, 360 is good. Goodbye, Navar. I can be. Can you imagine that? I will get really out of my comfort zone. Can you imagine? Which is funny. I wanted to be a singer when I was when I was little. I wanted to sing at piano and at the voice. And I don't know if in your village or whatever, Clubul Copiilor, like a place where you can learn things. But you will be one teacher for everything, right? So you will be one teacher for painting, piano, singing. So I went there because I wanted to learn piano. But the teacher will always put me to paint. So I don't like painting. So I think he ruined my future as a singer. And of course I left because he will always put me to paint. He just didn't want to teach me, I guess. He's like, okay, here we go, you can go paint. I'm like, come on. I was a kid. um he ruined my future. And I was thinking, can you imagine how much I really wanted to? Because I went myself there, like not the parents that they register me, or I went myself because I wanted. So me as a kid, it's like, oh, I want it. Let me go there on myself. And this guy. Bad dreams. Okay, that's it for today. Because I have an appointment. I have to do something at 12 o'clock. So, uh, yeah, I'll keep you updated about this trade. Let's see, gold went up. No, gold didn't go nowhere. It went a little up. Um, the stop loss is below the EMA. Harlap also Harlap also watched the 4945250 because it's the initial two. You might want to take profit there. If not, just move your stop loss below EMA. So anyway, you are in a profit, so that's great. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same hour, 10 o'clock. Bye bye. Nice talking to you all. You too, Scotty. You too, everybody.